Can you tell us a little bit about your product?
So we've got a range of ready-to-drink bottled cocktails. So they're all 18% ABV, and then one of them is 19%. So you don't have to do anything. You just put them in your fridge and you can pour them straight over ice.
That sounds very convenient.
Yeah, it's great for at-home drinking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Also really good for bars as well if they don't necessarily have dedicated cocktail bartenders or like the time to make cocktails. And we're combining kind of the best-known cocktails out there with innovative and exciting flavours.
Fantastic. So can you give me an example of some of the flavours that you have today?
So we've got probably our most popular is the jam donut Negroni.
Jam donut
Yeah,
Negroni. Oh my
super
goodness,
yummy.
I'd love to try that.
So we do all of the distillation and production ourselves. So we're actually distilling jam donuts.
Fantastic.
So we use a vacuum still, which gives a really literal kind of flavour of what we want. So definitely expanding the range. So we've just moved to a bigger site. We've moved to our very own distillery now. So it's based in the Midlands. So it's kind of like halfway between Birmingham and Leicester. So we were originally based in Soho, but we needed to kind of upscale quite quickly, which was exciting. So hopefully we'll just kind of continue to see that growth, adding new flavours to the range, and then venturing out probably into other products and creating a whole range of different cocktails that you can drink. Negroni is definitely our best selling, I think, just because of the gin boom. And I think the other three, it's fairly even, the split. So we do a Pina Colada punch, which is actually it's the world's first milk punch available to buy in bottle, but it's also made with coconut milk, so it's still vegan.
I'm looking forward to trying it. Here we go.
It's very summery as well.
Oh yes. I can imagine drinking that on the beach somewhere.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. And it's really light, and you've still got that creaminess.
Yeah, so it should be, normally obviously a pina colada can be quite heavy, so we just wanted to create something that was light, you could drink more than one as well, and it's just, I think, quite fresh.
Yeah, thank you. That's just delicious. Yeah, I could drink quite a lot of that.
And then we do a cookie dough old fashioned, and then also a banana bread Manhattan. So
Banana bread Manhattan.
yeah,
Wow.
it's really yummy.
So what's your job role?
So we're both the founders. So our background was in cocktail bars, and then we started doing a little bit of consultancy, and then this year decided to launch our own products into the market.